Well, g'day.
Hello. We're in for a great day today. We've got Salty on the back and we're going to take it to the water for the very first time.
Yes, we are. We're off to christen.
Yes.
We've got the wine.
Yes.
And
Yes,
then,
we got the wine.
And then we're going to go for a little run for a couple of hours. We need to run the engine in. So we've just got to idle around. So we're heading down to Spears Point at Lake Macquarie. And we'll throw her in and it should be a great day ahead.
It will be a great day ahead and hope to catch a big fish, or this size fish anyway.
Yeah, we've got the fishing rods with us too, so we thought, well, if we've got to drive around in the boat for 2 hours running the engine in,
we might be able to get something.
We'll throw a line in.
Yeah.
So should be a great day ahead.
Yes.
Slight change of plans. The Spears Point boat ramp is absolute choppers. Do we go in there? That might be where you come out.
Oh, I don't know.
Anyway, doesn't matter.
Let's go.
We'll
go around to Warners Bay or Valentine or something like that.
Yeah, Valentine.
Yeah. Might be a few less people, I don't know.
Yes. Want a bit of a quiet boat ramp. I can reverse. But on the boat ramp there's lots of people waiting.
There was a line up.
There was a massive line up there this morning,
up.
so we ran a little bit behind schedule this morning. Yeah. Run around, try and get bits to put it all together.
There's no boat ramp up here, is there?
No.
No?
So we'll go round to Valentine or somewhere.
Yeah.
We'll work it out.
Yeah.
But yeah, she was
very full.
She was very full, so if you're going to go to a boat ramp, get there earlier than what we are.
We're meant to get here at 7 a.m.
Yeah, it's nearly 10.
It's nearly 10 o'clock.
Better go and get some nibbies.
Yeah.
Fuel.
Yeah.
Locks.
Yeah.
Lots of stuff.
Yeah.
So stay tuned.
Yeah.
We'll get salty in the water yet.
Yeah.
We've got a bit of a change coming through this afternoon, so we're sort of on a mission to
get in there before the change comes. If we ever get out of here.
We get out of this roundabout too. There's lots of people today.
Yeah.
Anyway, she's all good.
First time Salty's going in the water. How exciting. Well, there she goes.
Another cunning plan this morning. Instead of going in over there at the Spears Point boat ramp, I've come around to Marmong Point. Absolutely perfect. We don't really need a boat ramp for a little Salty, which has got this pebbly beach, which is actually better than a boat ramp. Less people. So it was actually a perfect spot so we can do our christening of Salty. It's worked out quite well, and perfect day too. Just check out this lake. We're looking at the Marmong Cove Marina there. Absolutely beautiful day. Let's get into it.
I christened this little boat Salty. May she bring us lots of great adventures. We catch lots of fish and bring on the good times.
Yeehaw!
Cheers!
How good is that?
Beautiful.
How good is that? Here goes. Ugh.
Oh, little Salty's finally in the water for the very first time. And she floats.
It floats.
That's excellent.
It's always a good thing.
Yes.
And, well, there's a good thing. I put the bungs in, so she's going to keep floating. So
Very good.
now we'll start the motor and see how that goes. Okay, we've got Salty in the water. First time, takes a bit of time. So
Yes.
these 4-stroke Suzukis, I've been told, they either start first go or definitely the second go. So we'll check out, see how that goes. Haven't started this before. Starts in the off position, or the no throttle position, I suppose. That's reverse forward. Put a clip on me, I suppose. Somewhere. Actually, on here, that's a good spot. Let's see how it goes. First go.
Oh wow, here we go. We're going in Salty, you little beauty.
First go. We are. Now, what we need to do is run this engine in for 10 hours. So the first 2 hours, it's just starting to rain, the change is coming through already. The first 2 hours we're supposed to just go very gentle, so
Yeah.
we'll just putt along
Yeah, just put along.
and see how we go. So,
Yeah.
she good. Alrighty, I think the weather's beaten us. It's starting to rain. So we might just head back to the boat ramp. But yeah, it's been good.
Been great fun. Love it.
At least we've started to run the engine in. Apparently we've got to do 10 hours of running in. So you start the first 2 hours on just an idle, and then you can increase it over the 10 hours to a little bit. So we'll just putt along back to the boat ramp up here. And yeah, it's been great. Great boat. So this is the CJ 370 high side with a Suzuki 4-stroke fuel injected outboard, and we've got ourselves a couple of life jackets.
Yeah.
They're the manual inflated ones. You pull the little ripcord there and it blows right up. It's got a little canister. So we've got those on today, but it's going good. We didn't quite get any fishing done. Next time. We've got many hours ahead in this boat, so the main thing is to run the engine in, do the right thing, keep it gentle, and it's going to look after us if we look after it. So yeah, it's been good.
Yep.
It's been great. Tell you what, for a rooftop tinny, there's no compromise on this. It's not like it's a little boat. She's stable. The floor's good. The seats are good. So yeah, very happy.
You're getting wet.
We need to get back to shore. It's starting to get a bit wet.
Wet.
So good.
Here comes little Salty out of the water. Its very first time. Oh, I'm so excited.
Well, how was that, Nettie?
Great. Great.
It was, wasn't it?
Yes.
Old Salty.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
The as we've said, it's a CJ 370 high side. The high side means it's an extra 15 centimeters higher than a normal Nomad, and that's supposed to keep the alligators, crocodiles, whatever, away when we're up north. I've got the Suzuki 4-stroke fuel injected, 15 horsepower. It's supposed to start every first pull, and it started first pull, so
yes,
very happy with that. So
did.
we're out there.
Mm-hmm.
We went out for a little bit longer than what we did. We're planning to go longer than what we did, however
We got rain.
yeah, the rain's come over, and it's always best to get off the water when there's a bit of a storm coming. Just run a little bit late this morning, but anyway, that's all good. But basically,
an hour in, so that was good.
yeah, went through the motions, just work out how to launch it, how to start it, make sure we had all the safety equipment. So we had the oars and the anchor and bucket, life jackets. So yeah, but anyway, overall, it went
Very good.
great. So fun times ahead.
Yes.
Fun times ahead.
Yes.